In this experiment, we will learn to generate electricity from potato to use a calculator. Take 2 potatoes. Take a nail and insert in the first potato. Take another nail and insert in the second potato. Take a coin and insert in the first potato. Take a coin and insert in the second potato. Take a wire and join it from the coin of one potato to nail of another potato. Take a wire and connect to the coin. Take another wire and connect to the nail. Take a calculator and attach both the wires. You will see the calculator working properly. Here we learn that the acidic solution of the potato, zinc and copper nail can generate electricity.